Hi everyone, this is Yukiko from La.moon. Today I will guide you through 10 minutes yoga practice to reset your body and mind. Have you ever felt like you're still tired after getting plenty of rest? That might be a sign your nervous system is out of balance. This simple session is perfect for restoring your energy and finding calm. Let's take this time together to feel refreshed. Sit down on the back of your mat. Press your knees mat width apart, big toes together. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, walk your hands away from you. Melt your body into the ground. Relax your shoulders and lengthen your spine. Observe yourself and observe your breath. As you exhale, bring your chest and belly closer to your mat. Each exhalation, release any tension and depression. Don't worry about anything. Focusing on present moment. Next inhalation, bring your shoulders above your wrist and keep your knees positioned. As you exhale, rest your buttocks onto your heels. And inhale, raise your torso. Continue this movement with your breath. Let's breathe 4 counts each exhalation and inhalation. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. When you are confident with your breath, take a deep breath out for 5, 6, 7 count. Control your breath and calm your mind. Next inhalation, come onto hands and knees. Press your knees under the hips and keep the natural spine. As you inhale, open your chest, lifting your tailbone. And exhale, curl your tailbone under. Tuck your chin towards your chest. Continue this movement with your breath. Massage your spine. Focus on lengthening the spine. Release any tension through neck, upper back, and shoulders. Tuck your toes under, lifting your sitting bones up and back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Paddle your feet to stretch your hamstrings and calves. Press your hands into the ground. Each exhalation, lower your chest closer to your thigh, lengthening your spine. Bring your gaze between your hands and walk your hands forward And folding forward, relaxing your shoulders, neck, and head. Bring the crown of your head towards the ground and chest towards the thigh. Press your hands wherever you feel comfortable, or interlace your fingers behind your back. Open your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades. Massage your abdominal organs and improve postures. Release your hands and gently raise your torso, standing your spine little by little. Press your feet mat width apart, toes slightly out. Bring your hands together in front of you and lower your sitting bone towards the ground. Press your arms onto your knees and lift your chest. Breathe from your stomach. Stretch your groin, open your chest, and press your right hands in front of your right foot, lifting your left hands towards the sky. If your neck is comfortable, gaze up and massage your abdominal organs. And lower your left hands. Lift your right hands towards the sky, gaze up. Open your chest and shoulders. Engage the core. Slowly lower your right arm and press your hands forward. Stretch your groin. Move your body forward and backward. And press your knees on the mat. Lie prone. Then elbows under your shoulders. Press your arms into the ground. Engage your hips and legs gently to stretch your fascia. Lift your chest and shoulders away from ears. Maybe close your eyes to calm your mind. Gentle massage for your abdomen and improve digestion. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Slowly press your hands alongside your chest, pushing yourself up to seated position. Extend your legs in front of you and bend your knees. Press the sole of your feet together. Bring your heels closer to your groin. And move your knees up and down to stretch your groin. Stop movement. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, hinge from your hips, folding forward. Stretch the groin and adductors. Feel the stretch around the hips. As you exhale, knees closer to the ground. Observe your breath. Feel the deeper breath compared to the beginning of the class. Gently lift your chest and head. Let's finish the class with your comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, press your hands around your knees. Gratitude for being here and taking care of yourself. Thank you very much for joining my class today. Namaste. How did you feel? I hope this session helped you breathe deeper and reconnect with yourself. At La.moon, I offer private yoga online lesson. If you'd like to experience a personalized full session, visit my website for more details. Thank you very much for joining my class, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session. See ya!